My name is Andy Jameson. I'm a technical sales representative for AkzoNobel's Awlgrip brand. We have prepared this short presentation to show you how a better finish can be achieved using different systems and support tools that Awlgrip offers. I would also like to take the opportunity to tell you about some key items which I hope you will find interesting and useful when you do your next Awlgrip job. For over 45 years, the Awlgrip brand name has been universally trusted and recognized in the yachting business. This reputation has been built upon outstanding quality, our unbeatable finish, and our continuous innovation. For boaters and professional customers everywhere who demand consistently outstanding quality, global technical service, and a full product range, Awlgrip has the complete solution. Awlgrip offers added value through our advanced technical training programs, available by request at customer location or at Awlgrip's Yacht Paint Application Centers, commonly referred to as YPACs. Likewise, applicators can benefit from local sales and technical support, helplines, product warranty, and custom color requests made by our internal Allmix centers. Awlgrip is a partner that supports customers from distributors to builders, applicators, and boat owners. We're proud to help support our industry and be a leader in its innovation. What makes Awlgrip Systems unique in yacht coatings? For decades, we have focused our resources and investment in our research and development programs to create efficient and leading topcoat systems. Scientific expertise really is the heart of our business, and this has in turn enabled us to research and develop trusted technologies and product ranges such as chromate-free etch primers, all-fair fairing compound, including our new spray filler, 545 epoxy primer, and VOC compliant topcoats like Awgrip HDT. Due to our specialist know-how, we've been able to develop efficient and effective use of key components used in our systems, from anti-corrosive technology used in Awgrip primers to the latest color technology used in AllMatch, our solid color measuring and searching tool that is incredibly easy to use. These and other technologies have allowed Awgrip paint systems to not only be innovative in process time reduction, but also adaptable for the application preferences of the applicator. Awgrip systems are available throughout the world from Awgrip distributors. We develop our products and systems for our customers to achieve that head-turning finish that Awgrip is known for. To do so, each product within our system plays a specific role. On the left-hand side, we show a full Awgrip system, and on the right, we show some options where you can interchange products within the Awgrip range to best suit your application needs. A head-turning Awgrip finish cannot be achieved if each product's surface is not properly prepared prior to its application. Underpinning a successful application and subsequent performance of any Awgrip system is the surface preparation. We use different primers within our systems to gain good adhesion with the substrate, to protect the subject, and to give a strong foundation for the entire system. For example, an anti-corrosive primer such as MaxCore CF can be used on a large new build aluminum or steel construction yacht, or for smaller aluminum production boats, Wash Primer CF or Quick Build are the preferred options. A holding primer like Hullguard Extra provides a stable base for subsequent fairing. Awgrip's epoxy fairing compound, All-Fair, is used to produce the required shape for the hull and to provide a smooth surface for the application of the remainder of the system. Fillers can also be used in virtually any area on the yacht where shaping is required. Surfacing primers like Ultra Build and High Build are applied over All-Fair to fill in any imperfections left on the faired surface, such as sanding scratches. Lastly, finish primers such as 545 give excellent corrosion protection and seal the undercoat or surfacing primer, which provides a smooth surface before the application of an Awgrip topcoat of your choice. Lastly, a variety of Awgrip finishes provide exceptional gloss, color, and protection against UV radiation, abrasion, and chemicals. Each part of an Awgrip system has an important part to play, either in providing a smooth surface, repairing imperfections, providing protection, and giving you the finish that turns heads. The system exists for any of your application procedures, size of yacht, drying times, VOC restrictions, etc. For example, a super yacht topside paint system will likely consist of several layers. As mentioned before, each layer has a specific role to play as part of the Awgrip system, from holding primer to filler to final topcoat, Applying any part of an Awlgrip system requires following that specific product's preparation and application instructions that are found on the product's technical data sheet. Do not incorporate any thinner, additive, modifier, converter, primer, or related product that is not specifically recommended by Awlgrip into any Awlgrip system. Such substitution can jeopardize the unique characteristics of the Awlgrip system, resulting in poor aesthetics and/or premature failure of the system. Awlgrip coatings are designed specifically for the pleasure craft industry and provide chemically cured finishes that are resistant to abrasion, chalking, corrosion, and chemical attack. Only a complete Awlgrip coating system will provide these characteristics. Please contact Awlgrip so we can help you throughout your project with tips on preparation, application, and maintenance. Awlgrip's global technical support and training programs are available for new and existing customers of all levels of expertise, from applicators to distributors and project managers, providing an overview of all products and tailored to help find the best products for each customer's operation. These training courses can be done at a customer site, or they can be done at one of Awlgrip's YPACs, Yacht Paint Application Centers. Strategically located around the world, each YPAC facility is home to the latest application equipment and specially designed areas for education and practical training, with a breakout area, classroom, and large application spray booth. On-site or YPAC trainings cover health and safety guidance, surface preparation, spray gun setup, and other tips to help optimize application. For on-site or YPAC training opportunities, contact your local Awlgrip representative. Promoting and sharing Awlgrip products and system best practices is a top priority. Awlgrip offers various support items like the systems guide, the application guide, applicator wall charts, and color cards. We promote Awlgrip through a myriad of media, from trade shows to promoting applicators' jobs on our website and social media. We continue to be very much at the heart of the boating community. We have even more information on our websites to support your learning efforts. Our website has a VOC calculator to ensure the right amount of product is used to be compliant, along with the technical data and safety data sheets. There is an easy zip code search for you to find your local Awlgrip distributor. We have live technical support 5 days a week to answer your questions. Awlgrip has been used and trusted around the world by owners, captains, boaters, and boatyard professionals for decades. We are so renowned within yachting that our brand name is a verb. A yacht has been Awlgripped. From Tony Hatfield of Diamond Painting to Russell Potter of Shenandoah, Awlgrip is pleased to partner with you. Finally, we would like to thank you for your time and interest in Awlgrip, and if you would like more information, please reach out to your Awlgrip distributor, local Awlgrip sales representative, or check us out at www.awgrip.com. Thanks again for taking the time to listen.